This is Chapter 7, Part 3. What we're going to do is demonstrate a string builder. We are going to use str as our reference. We have got our main method that we're going to use to build our string. We are going to print information using a method whose name is print. We're going to take an argument with us, which is str, which is basically our string builder. And by using this method, we are going to print out our string one word or small phrase at a time. The very first thing we're going to do is we are going to create our string builder object here. The very first thing that we are going to carry with us is going to, our very first part that we're going to do with our string builder is the word singing, and this is a literal string. The next line of code is a call statement. It's find a method whose name is print, take with us an argument. The argument we're taking with us belongs to the string builder, and it is singing. Inside of that method, we're just going to print whatever the argument of s is, which is part of our string builder, which is the str, which in this case is singing. Then we're going to come back and we're going to append to the string builder in the dead of with the appropriate spacing. You've got a space before and after because remember we're building a sentence. Appending is always going to add to the back of the string that's already existing. So pretty much at this point we will have singing in the dead of. Another call statement that takes us down to the method for printing. Then we come back. Again, we have our string builder. This time we are inserting. Now remember, you always insert by telling the insert command where to start. You are always going to begin counting with 0. So on the very first position, in position 0, we are going to add the word black. Then we're going to call the method to print it. We're going to come back again. We're going to insert to the string builder at position 5 the word bird with the space. We're going to print, append to the tail end of that the word night, another call statement to print, and at this particular point we should have a complete phrase. So I'm going to compile and then run. And you will notice that the very first thing that we printed was singing. Then singing in the dead of. Our next is an insert in position 0. So we had black singing in the dead of. We're going to insert again at position 5 the word bird. So we're going to start counting on the B for black. That's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So in position 5, we're going to put bird. Then we are going to append to the end the word night. So when we finish, we do have the complete sentence, blackbird singing in the dead of night. That is the end of part 3.